When we have chosen our favorite coach, we must make sure that we have enough ducats. After checking our status, we can make an appointment with a coach by clicking on Make an Appointment section at the bottom of the page. Now we will be able to choose the right time for us, the kind of training we would like to have with a coach, and the duration of the training session. All of the information should be written in the box provided. For example, I would like to work with you on Sunday at 4 p.m. CET. Upon finishing the letter, please click on Confirmation of the request and Send to Coach message. A flashlight will appear with an envelope in My Lesson section. If we point our mouse at it, the page will automatically scroll down. Then we can see the Appointments menu where the details of the training session will appear in the Pending section. When the coach has replied to our message, our appointment will get into the In Progress menu. We will be notified of that particular letter by getting an email. Here, we will have to choose the date by clicking on Select a Time. And if it is not convenient for us, then we can choose another date by writing in the Add Message box below. But if the date is okay for us, then we can get back to the coach by clicking on Send. Afterwards, the message will come up in the box Accepted with all of the information as to the appointment with a coach. 5 minutes before the start of the training, an exclamation mark will be flashing next to My Lesson, and we will be able to enter the session.